Well, welcome back. Welcome back, you lovely people. Well, today is somewhere I've been wanting to go for bloody years. It is a wilderness. No, it's not Lincolnshire. It's a lot further down south. Today, I have been Dungeness. Yeah, you might say. Why do I be Dungeness, Pete? Why Dungeness? Look at it. London. Just over there. Two, not one, two, four nuclear power stations. Nuclear power station. They are keeping your lights on. They're trying to keep the internet running around here. Not very well. But you got beautiful buildings like that one. And Derek Jarman made this really pavement. Artists, and there is some amazing small architecture built. I think there's one over there. Let's go have a look at it. So let's go and explore the Dungeness estate. It is. Just look at some of these buildings up. Just look to the right of. Do you see that? That is two new. Oh, this is this prime jewel dog. And there is two bloody great big nuclear power stations. So from the car park, you get out of the car and you are facing two nuclear power stations. Two. They turn on my lights at night. That's that. Also, beautiful lighthouse. I'm not actually sure if it still works. I'll get back to you on that. Here's the, what? We don't go up it. It's a firebug. But we're not going up to stack it. Definitely gonna make it to the top. We might make it to the top. We just struggle to come out. Let me just show you again. We're back to the nuclear power station. Right, go find it. Don't you know these? Yellow house. The yellow house. Let's do it. Just look at this house behind me. Look. Just look at that building. So, do you not like to live there? What makes you think? Do you see that here? It says, the house. Just that house, city. You get a bit of that cuts. The bike. Smashed the wall along the road down to here. Come to reflect this black and yellow building. David Jarman's. It's called Prospect House. As you can see along the wall, we've written some stuff. Decent work. I don't know if you can see the gardens. He absolutely loved it. I think I might be able to find some pictures of him. But this guy, about let's see if we have to, but see what we could do in. He's very peaceful, actually. He's like a cemetery sort of thing. People are very respectful. This is his house. There we go. Just in the garden now. And these, yeah. Well, these bloody bands got to walk. Quite good, man. Well, see all those BD mine. That big twilight got the hackable light behind it. I think it well bound. But this garden, no, inside, this nice. You can sell it. Fun. Sort of plan. Yeah. Oh, well, you know, care about all this, but obviously it's gone back. It wouldn't. I would just. Here we go along. This one. So, prospect, Mage. Yeah. Take his in. He's locked it. Can you believe it? He'll let me into that. Oh, that's it. Where to what? What could we talk no power from? Thank you very much. There's still reason can't crowd. Obviously, a sorry day that you're not here. Not a redid your system. I will try to find out what that says. Around there, you know. But can you go back now? Can we go back now? To you'll make a way for it. Yeah, but I'd try to kill the deals. Buy much. All that. But as ever, I've got to it's fine. Hang on. Just over there. Station. If you like bleak and die. There'll be too many ice. One that should you will love. And I'm sure you will. Well, more octane. Latest by that. Wow. It's Jarman. He's touched that. Weird.